In this video, I'm going to show you how you can ban a user from commenting on your videos on your YouTube channel. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. All right, now if I go to YouTube and click on notifications here, I notice there is this one account that keeps on commenting on my channel, and in fact it is from a different language, and you can see the comments are too many within a span of days. So to stop this, I want to go ahead and ban this user from ever commenting on my channel. To do this, it's pretty simple. Go ahead and open YouTube Studio by clicking on YouTube Studio here. Then from your YouTube Studio, go to Community. Now under the community, go ahead and find the account that you want to ban from your channel. Mine is here. So I'll wish to ban this account from ever commenting on my YouTube videos. To do so, head over to the add more icon here and click on it. Now, unfortunately, YouTube doesn't provide you with a direct option to ban the account. However, the closest that is available is to choose hide user from channel. Now if you go ahead and click on this, you can see the comment will be removed and this account will no longer have the ability to comment further on your videos from now henceforth. And as you can see, all the other comments have been removed. So that's how you can ban a user from ever commenting on your videos from your YouTube channel. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.